Flirting is a universal language, but why do women engage in it? It's not just about finding a romantic partner. Flirting can boost confidence, test the waters of attraction, or simply be a playful way to engage in social situations. We'll explore the psychological and social reasons behind flirting, backed by expert opinions and research. Interestingly, flirting behaviors have evolved over centuries, but have always played a crucial role in human interaction. From the coquettish glances of the Victorian era to the digital winks of today, we'll take a quick journey through history to see how flirting has transformed yet remained a constant in the quest for connection. What goes on in our minds when we flirt? We'll delve into the psychology of attraction, exploring how flirting activates certain areas of our brain, releases feel-good hormones, and why it's considered a fundamental aspect of human behavior. Flirting is an art, and like any art, it requires skill and practice. We'll offer practical tips on how to flirt effectively, from body language and conversation starters to understanding the subtle cues that indicate mutual interest. Experts will weigh in on the do's and don'ts, ensuring viewers leave with valuable insights to apply in real life. Flirting isn't one size fits all, it varies greatly across cultures. We'll explore how different societies approach flirting, the unspoken rules, and how to navigate these differences. This segment will provide a global perspective, enriching our understanding of flirting as a complex and diverse form of communication. To wrap up, we'll emphasize the importance of consent and respect in all interactions, reminding viewers that flirting should always be enjoyable and consensual. We'll encourage our audience to embrace their unique style of flirting, fostering connections that enrich their social and romantic lives. Thanks for joining us on this intriguing journey through the world of flirting. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Remember, flirting is an expression of joy and interest, a dance of communication that, when done right, can lead to meaningful connections. Until next time, keep smiling and keep flirting.